inspiration into reality with just a click. Visual search is revolutionizing e-commerce, and here's how you can harness it with Fast Simon. Hi, my name is Jamila, and I'm here to show you how Fast Simon's AI-powered visual search transforms pictures into purchases. Visual search allows users to find products using images, bypassing the need for text queries. With Fast Simon's technology, all customers need to do is upload a photo and let AI find the match. Now, integrating Fast Simon's visual search is straightforward. No complex coding is needed, and it's as simple as flipping a switch to activate this feature in your store. Let's go through an example of Betsy Johnson, which is powered by Fast Simon. Once you implement Fast Simon, you can see that there is a little camera button up here, and you go ahead and click it, and your customers can select a photo. You can see here that I have just uploaded a photo, and Fast Simon's AI detects the specific products within the photo for people to search. Now, visual search is very important because it reduces the friction that people have from search to purchase. You can also inspire your customers with a lot of other similar styles, helping to improve product discovery on your site. So you can see here that we have a bunch of glasses that match what is in the photo. So customers can sort by most similar, they can sort by price low to high. The possibilities are endless with Fast Simon. You can engage customers like never before with visual search, provide instant personalized results that inspire shoppers to buy more and increase conversion rates. Empower your customers with an interactive shopping experience. Implement visual search with Fast Simon today and watch your e-commerce store thrive.